One say NDC, the vice president, Yare, politics. One say Ebuabo NDC, especially Honorable Okudjeto Ablakwa. One say Ebuabo no.
To implement a policy of no medical treatment abroad.
Yeah, third world country. What the politics? I bebo wa wuti so no pampa. So this is exactly what is playing out.
Ebusia baby, Honorable Okudjeto Ablakwa will be an wenya call. Ghana for ne bonnet, your mubusa say. Ne campaign message of Becca say, and we ya was so many implementations. Nane, we a government official, and we said over abroad, I'm more pusiki medical health in ecosi say. They see a vice president, Yaria Modenako in Nasamono, or Becca saying, and a vim lady abetu to be at the man in the pa.
Yenye license man nurses ebayasem and so Ghana for kwa broche control any place to America. Omo control ne ansa na waji license. Now we bibi baako na a breach license here Joe license dey from sem. Bibia ye dey useless, unnecessary, bogus politics. Any ene. Enti ero Okudjeto Ablakwa asem na okan na ewe no. And then kofa hu video aba. Se wakwa akoye press conference chinchinia. And then you're stopping public officials from getting treatment abroad. Also, himself, my Ghana, your third world country.
Aha, let's start ghtrends. And then first time I'll put every day. I'm so subscribe. I'm a click on notification bell. Miss the latest update. I'm follow Facebook. As let's start ghtrends and at TikTok also. As let's start ghtrends video. I'm a for frab share. Any comments be our knowledge or comment section or edit and mommy. Ebusia say campaign message say do some move position and abetin some. Honorable Okudjeto Ablakwa ebe kan say I was some implementation say government official bia no matter who you are so obekwa abroad so okosiki medical help ne was sad no mutwa bunye da wote wanti a wo de yenkohwe yenkotie na num asem kakra emra.
There is the need to implement a policy of no medical treatment abroad for members of the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary with immediate effect. This
Honorable Okudjeto Ablakwa nensema obeka yeni. Na no na sisi amona mo power what ya say. Won so ana oye minister for foreign affairs. Ana Ghana for ebusa say anyenye bia wo asem na wo kan na enra na ni refi ne ho enana adenti na vice president yare na mode na ekọ abroad akosiki medical help. Eno ana vim lady aba no pa we ya wo kire se Ghana musika ya ahe. Ede na Ghana mo developing country den na mo wa eti wo abegina ho abeka se mo amu musiki medical chese sika bia mo hia bia no mo kwaji wo bi man so ansa no motimi de abeye bibi ugina ho no mo ka se eni kwan se because your una we ni power ninti o kasa eni kwan se obi akosiki we because kenu for yata akọ we akọ enti na chese mo kasa kekana obusa se in the case of Professor Jenana Opukwagemano obeyene.
One say NDC, the vice president, Yare, politics. One say Ebuabo NDC, especially Honorable Okudjeto Ablakwa. One say Ebuabo no. Someone who say Honorable Okudjeto Ablakwa. Asem na Ebuabo no amu. Yeah, third world country. What the politics? Bebo wa wuti so no pampa. So this is exactly what is playing out. Some time ago, na ye Kufuado, ene Oforiata, na ye Rollins, then Crawford, because I say when MPP ni NDC na nado ni Ablakwa mo time in start. In fact, President Rollins time Rollins. The same Rollins no kwa brochire ko hwe no ho yare ko ano didi fufuro ekoso de Paul Jemfi. He was going under a different name to hospitals in London. To the extent that President Rollins the never has a to call medical school Ireland. Busa say na medical school bi ni lego ana. Vice President abrochire na de ko no. Omo no UGMC we no na de no ko abrochire. Health must not be politics because even America for core hospitals were Germany, France. Sometimes there are some specific medical mutumi ko abrochire. So mo de ye for yata ko abrochire na me see from Rollins or ko abrochire ko hwe no ho yare because no nim se nkrofo be kan to say your friend is say Paul Jemfi. This was reported by Daily Guide and Baby and Saba and also Chronicle. Go and read the newspaper clippings. You see it. You need to see a apomode look, apomode health. It is no respecter of party card. Apomode by all means, be vice president. Your mom pay man ma me no honto because ma me na asumo man and Ghana mremu say we a public office holder. e wo mre no mo ka service conditions no ho nti onye abone so akwa abroche kwhwe ne ho yare a onye abone e kan health conditions no ho Ghana private sector mo ye adwuma AGC Newmont any are the most of the multinationals got Poha VRA ni big companies omo workers yare de omo kwa abroche because your doctors were Ghana pa but any equipment ni nyina na wo Ghana any treatment ni nyina na wo Ghana and Ghana so cry the HIPAA rules laws privacy laws just obi yare a yem protect nipa no records ne medical records ni the Ghana yem fa nya adwuma enti onipa no kra ye public officer na ye say en kan conditions of service won no kitani si ko be kwa abrochi akotwe no ya because abrochi obi nim no release medical records nipa we ne hwene na ye ne ya ni ti na ye ne ya wa breach law no the nipa no be demma wa hwe be gene license Ghana yanko ye license kra ma teachers kra ye de ye politics University of Medical Center cry ye no anu ya enye bibia na we University of Ghana Medical Center it's not everything that will get there because doctors in the omo wonim de no but equipment omo de be say yare no nye ni nyina na o and that is also not to say ye catch ye mpanifo ni say just merely because enye bibia na o honti no they should get away with murder and they shouldn't do the right thing no the ye can say because Ghana ye sika nso on mine so ye budget sika ye ginye ni nyina na ye tumi de bo man ho bra enti nye den a ye sika no nso ni nyina enti kakra na ebeka no ye de ehia oman ye third world country na sika na ye tumi fa ni nyina nye healthcare because by the time we healthcare no ka kwan so real by the time we healthcare no workers so call demonstration mo so pe good salary and ye so ni ye sika no so yi so your budget is heavily supported by donors. Your budget ye Ghana nyina donors if you broche na maye. Into a minds no catch say oh let's build ultra modern hospital to say Mount Sinai Hospital wa broche da. You cannot do it. Aban be any third world country obetimi di nisika nyina ye healthcare. Then into your Ablakwa no. And on one enu masemo say enya ne sa. Ya avoid this here bemo obi akwa abrochi akwhwe no ho yare emi wa oka say no na honorable Abamba bin speaker of parliament o yare ya fa go Dubai ya fa speak and go Dubai so if you come and play these double standards speaker yare if speaker crowd you go Dubai akosa ne ho yare the secretary ka ho ne yire ka ho nkofo be miensa na di na chi no co treatment in fact ye nua be ma Kofi Adoma ya se bibia wo Ghana Kofi Adoma ye bo na ni enye Dubai no mo hwe no ho yare Dubai ne Ghana doctors na kasa kache no baby a surgery na du no aka o brain no ntiri na connect brain to wani no e ho de ye ni ho experience and ye ni ho equipment hospital se wo osu no nti mpacho mo de mo wesika mo fa Kofi Adoma nkwa abrochire Kofi Adoma onye public officer o onye aban sika na de ko hospital o Ibrahim na be so omu no bo akakra any a friends penifo bi ni ade na atoshim ni ade nyina so mu bo abi ya di Kofi Adoma kwa abroche let's stop doing unnecessary politics when you maybe Ghana na ye hia mo ye third world country ye ho so ya kwankro but ye Okudjeto Ablakwa mu nyina anya careful because see under even President Mahama ba the first term Professor Mills President Mahama there were NDC people who went to hospital abroad and the one was say Okudjeto in fact ya mami Zita Okankwe she was information minister at the time akwa wo abroche
abusia no ebe obi ka say vim lady ya akaka nsem na ko baby ni kwan say oko that is the truth Ghana ye develop ye nyandu baby a ye beka say ye de ye ho say the hospitals na e wa ha ne ye well equipped and as well developed ebetimi ahwe yare bi e boro because even outside Ghana other countries akese no ko ma ye wiye no kra no medical attention bi wo ho wo se okosiki efiri obi ho enti no campaign messages ne nsem bi ne ani ade no o kasa na sebi wa hwedi ye because ebe kwa ba be so ko in the case of honorable Okudjeto Ablakwa they say ade aso the kon because vice president ehia medical attention outside Ghana many ADNs ne chi any updates be for ba me ba be so mo me kai wo say obe follow Facebook as let's talk GH rumors and at TikTok so as let's talk GH share video we ama fufa be share any comments bi answer wo na waja e comment section ho e di amame me din e di na na class answer makram